walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey guys, as you guys can see by the title below, honey, I will be giving you guys all the tea, the plug, the scoop on my contacts because you guys will not let me make it on Instagram. You guys will not let me make it on Snapchat. So I had to get on here and do this video for you guys because you guys are always asking me about my contacts. Contacts, where they from, where did you get them, where they from, where did you get them, girl, do you have a coupon code, hook us up, what's the tea? So I got the tea for y'all today, okay? If you see me in this shirt twice, it's because I'm trying to film videos today because you guys know I have been in the hospital, but your girl is doing good now, so I'm back with the videos, okay? So the contacts I have on right now is, let me tell you the name of the company. I should probably do that first, okay? Okay. So the name of the company is called Iris Beauty. They are based in New York. I will insert somewhere showing you guys how it came packaged and everything like that somewhere in this video so you guys can see. This is how it come packaged, just like this. Of course, I tore my address off just for privacy reasons, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how it come packaged. So when you open it up, it looks just like this. I have 4 different pair, but when you guys are seeing this video, you will see the pair that I love to wear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything out so you can see. These contacts are very, very, very natural. And then I want to tell you guys about the company. So the name of the company right here is Iris Beauty. And a few things about the company, as you guys can see, they are based in New York City. They were created in 2017, so it's a fairly new company. We worked on developing unique color contacts that fit like a glove, and you guys, they really do feel like you don't have anything on. You don't break the bank, and they are safe to use, and this is FDA approved. Let me say that again. It is FDA approved. At Iris Beauty, we believe every woman deserves to have versatility in everyday makeup routine that makes her feel good about herself no matter her eye color or budget. You guys know on this channel we like to ball on a budget. Of course, anything that's affordable we love, and like I say, once again, it is FDA approved. You guys can pretty much read the rest for yourself, but just know that these contacts are bomb.com. They have similar offers, unique shades, and quality lenses at affordable price. For beauty addicts who love to discover new products every day. Come packaged just like this in this black box. So cute. You guys know I love gold. And then the thing about them, you guys, right here, you can see it comes with the color on the side here. This is Majestic Brown, as you guys can see. You get a case, of course. And Majestic Brown are my favorite. They look like so gorgeous. To me, they look like they're gray, brown, a little hint of blue. And I just think they're gorgeous. Like, I love this company. So that's Majestic Brown. Here is Adore Brown. Very, very light. Like, you can barely see them. This is right here. You guys can see the green. Okay, you can see. Here is Sugar Brown, but I accidentally made it come off. And these are my favorite as well, you guys. Love, love, love these. So I'm going to tell you guys all about these, okay? Everything you need to purchase these contacts and every information, what? I will have these linked down below if you want to purchase these. So these are how they look. These are absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love these. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of these contacts, I will have them linked down below. Everything you need to know will be in the description box below. Contacts are FDA approved, and you guys, you can wear these contacts up to 6 months, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the contacts that I have on right now. I'm not sure if they're going to pick up on camera because the lighting in here for some reason today is super bright. Like, it's literally kind of washing me out. I don't know why. I tried to dim the lights and everything like that, but I don't know. It's just making me look like I'm not my real true color, but it is what it is. We're going to roll with it. So the contacts that I have on right now are called Adore Brown, and I absolutely love these. Majestic Brown, I think it's called, is usually my go-tos. That's the ones I'm always wearing on my Snapchat and Instagram. You guys know they do come in prescription and cosmetic versions. And also, you guys, like I said, it is FDA approved. So, honey, you ain't got to worry about nothing. This is good to go, okay? I will say out of all 4 of the contacts that I got, my 2 favorite have to be the ones I have on right now, which is, it's not Majestic Brown, it is Adore Brown. And Majestic Brown are my go-to contacts because y'all know girl cannot see. But I will say these are the lightest contacts I have ever had, and I'm not getting paid to say this. I'm giving you guys my honest review. You guys know if these contacts were harsh on my eyes or they was just terrible, I would not even be telling you guys this. The only reason I'm telling you guys this is because, girl, you can sleep in these. These are very comfortable. They're very lightweight. You don't even know that they're in your eyes, and those are the type of contacts that I like. I do not like contacts that are harsh on the eyes, that have your eyes burning and itching, and you constantly have to put eye drops in them, like contacts, eye drops, because sometimes previously contacts that I have worn, not from this particular brand, but they have my eyes kind of reddish or my eyes are not as clear as you guys can see. These are perfect for me, and these are the only contacts that I'm rocking, that I have been rocking, that I'm going to continue to rock because they're just really light on my eyes. I can't even feel them in my eyes. So that being said, you definitely should go check them out. I will have all their links down below. Like I said, they have over 20 something pair of contacts, and you guys, they're affordable. Like, affordable. We love affordable on this channel, honey. We like to ball on the budget. So anytime I'm able to help you guys out or anything like that, I will. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys ever want to refer back to this video to see what particular contacts I have on, if you're following me on Snapchat or my Instagram, all you have to do is come back to this channel, click the description, and the contacts that I have will be linked down below. Every pair of contacts that I have shown you guys in today's video will be linked down below. I will have a coupon code because y'all know on this channel, honey, we like to ball on the budget, okay? And I love these contacts. These are the only contacts that I've been wearing. These are the only contacts that I will be wearing for a very long time. And like I said, you can get yours with prescription, and they do have like the cosmetic versions as well. And like I said, once again, they are FDA approved, so you guys are safe, okay? So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you guys do decide to purchase these contacts, definitely don't forget to snap me so I can see what contacts you got. They're for men and for women, honey, okay? Men and women. Contacts are unisex. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And also don't forget to put done in the comments down below so you can be shouted out in any of my upcoming videos. Today's post notification goes out to Shaquana Teal, T-E-L. Thank you so much for turning on your notification. And until next time, you guys, bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.